Welcome to Employment and Education News. Like, share, and subscribe is 100% free. So please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. Office attendant post vacancy in National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Eligibility 10th. Age limit between 18 to 30 years age on 1st October 2024. Apply between 2 October 2024 and 21 October 2024. Deputy General Manager, Manager, Deputy Manager, Finance Officer, Officer PR or Media Communication, Officer Company Secretariat, Fire Officer post vacancy in Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Eligibility Bachelor degree and Flight Safety course, degree in Engineering, Bachelor degree with CA or ICWA, PG degree, MBA or MSW, PG degree or PG diploma in Journalism and Communication, pass in Associate Membership Examination of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, Bachelor degree of Fire Engineering. Age limit maximum 30 years for Finance Officer, 35 years for Deputy Manager, 38 years for Manager, 47 years for Deputy General Manager. Last date for application 30 October 2024. Apprentice post vacancy in Eastern Railway Recruitment Cell. Eligibility ITI. Age limit maximum 24 years. Last date for application 23 October 2024. 20 apprentice post vacancy in the Jute Corporation of India Limited. Eligibility 12th. Age limit maximum 21 years. Last date for application 21 October 2024. Stipend Rs 7,000 per month. Specialist Officer Middle Management Grade MMG Scale 2 and Scale 3 post vacancy in Canada Bank. Eligibility Member of Institute of Company Secretaries of India with experience. Age limit maximum 30 years for MMG Scale 2 and 35 years for MMG Scale 3. Last date for application 20 October 2024. Apply online for Central Teacher Eligibility Test December 2024. Eligibility graduation with at least 50% marks and BD, post graduation with minimum 55% marks and 3 years integrated BD MED. Last date for application 16 October 2024. Application fees Rs 1000 only paper 1 or 2, Rs 1200 both paper 1 and 2 for General, OBC, NCL, and Rs 500 only paper 1 or 2, Rs 600 both paper 1 and 2 for SC, ST, different abled person. Non-technical popular categories post vacancy in Railway Recruitment Board. Eligibility graduation. Age limit between 18 to 36 years. Last date for application 13 October 2024. Common Law Admission Test for 5 years Integrated Law Degree LLM. Eligibility 12th with 45% marks for 5 years Integrated Law Degree and LLB with 50% marks for LLM. Age limit there is no upper age limit for appearing for the CLAT 2025. Last date for application 15 October 2024. Application fees Rs 4,000 and Rs 3,500 for SC, ST, PWD and BPL categories. Thanks for watching till the end.